Amazon's Prime Big Deal Days sale is just around the corner, offering great savings on must-have car essentials. In this video, we'll show you some automotive deals for Prime Day. Let's get started. This versatile cleaning kit is perfect for tackling nooks and crannies in your vehicle, electronic devices, and office equipment. Simply knead a piece into a ball, press it onto the dirty surface, and watch as it lifts away dust and grime. It's a time-saving helper that's ready to use anytime, anywhere. Made from biodegradable gel, these cleaning putties are skin-friendly and feature a light, fresh fragrance. They're 100% safe for use, though remember to keep them away from children, as they're not edible. Crafted with superior durability in mind, this foldable organizer is made from the strongest Oxford polyester fabric. Reinforced stitching in high-wear areas ensures it can withstand heavy use and stand the test of time. This versatile car storage solution features 3 compartments with removable dividers, allowing you to customize the space to fit your needs. It easily collapses when not in use, and 12 extra pockets provide quick access to smaller items. Reinforced carrying handles protect your hands and make it easy to move. Non-slip strips on the bottom keep your belongings securely in place, preventing items from sliding around or spilling. Introducing the iOttie car mount phone holder. Simply press the locking sidearms and place your phone against the trigger button. The mount's arms automatically close, securing your device in seconds. This versatile mount features a universal cradle that accommodates smartphones and cases of any size. The new, larger, easy one-touch button ensures compatibility with a wide range of devices. Keep your charging cables tidy with the built-in magnetic cord organizer, conveniently located near the bottom foot. No more tangled wires while you're on the go. This soft car top carrier fits all vehicles, with or without a roof rack. While there's no best soft car top carrier, MIDABAO offers the best all-around value to satisfy most consumers. Enjoy larger capacity, top-quality PVC material, convenient design, and enhanced security. Installation is a breeze with 6 short tie straps and 2 long straps, allowing you to mount the carrier in minutes. Its malleable design makes storage simple, and it even comes with a storage bag for your convenience. Unlike water-resistant options, this carrier is coated with PVC inside and out for true waterproofing, protecting your belongings from torrential downpours. This 1000-watt Pro inverter converts 12-volt DC battery power to standard 110-volt AC, featuring dual AC outlets and 2 USB ports, including QC 3.0 and 30-watt PD 3.0 for fast charging. Experience fast charging with 110-volt AC outlets, offering up to 750-watt surge capacity for large devices like laptops and tablets. USB ports provide up to 50-watt surge capacity for USB-compatible devices, while the car's cigarette lighter offers up to 150 watts surge capacity. It features multi-protection systems including a cooling fan, smart digital display, and mini slip fuse to guard against overvoltage, low voltage, overload, short circuit, and overheating. This 23-piece set includes 8 shapes of medium drill power scrubber brushes, 9 scouring pads of varying stiffness, 3 sponge polishing pads, 1 white wool buffer pad, a 4-inch backer, and an extension rod. Take your auto detailing to the next level with the 3 sponge polishing pads and white wool buffer pad. These are ideal for waxing, polishing, and sealing glaze on all kinds of paint coats, enhancing their shine. The professional wool and foam pad buffing system efficiently cuts through and polishes even the most difficult car oxidation coatings and scratches. With its powerful 2000 mAh rechargeable battery, this device offers 1 to 2 hours of continuous use without external power. It inflates small car tires in just 1 minute, 3 times faster than standard inflators. Designed with convenience in mind, this air compressor features cooling ports and an anti-scalding silicone nozzle. Its compact, cordless design fits easily in your car or bag, ready for use anytime, anywhere. Choose from 4 preset modes or customize your pressure settings. The large dual LCD screen displays real-time and preset pressure data clearly. This custom-fit liner offers edge-to-edge coverage thanks to advanced 3D laser scanning technology. Built to withstand extreme conditions, from sub-zero temperatures to scorching heat, this liner resists battery acid and oil spills. Its flexible yet durable material ensures a smooth, even look and feel. The patented form-fit edge creates a raised barrier along the door jamb, containing mud, snow, and liquids for effortless cleanup. Simply remove the liner, hose it down, and you're ready to go. This multifunctional brush isn't just for cars. It's perfect for solar panels, house siding, boats, driveways, and more. Featuring a telescopic pole that extends from 5 to 12 feet, you can safely clean hard-to-reach areas while staying grounded. The premium aluminum construction ensures durability without adding weight. The 12-inch brush head boasts soft, resilient bristles that clean effectively without scratching. Its four-sided design allows you to tackle tight spaces and wheel wells with ease. With 6,000 peak current, it can boost even completely dead batteries in vehicles up to 12.0-liter diesel engines. Just press boost, and you're ready to go. Featuring 45 watts two-way fast charging, this jump starter recharges fully in just 2 hours and can quickly power up your devices. Its 26,800 mAh capacity serves as a versatile power bank with multiple charging outputs. The advanced design includes a 600-lumen LED light with 3 modes, perfect for emergencies. Its durable shell resists water, dust, and drops, ensuring reliability when you need it most. This versatile mini trash can fits seamlessly into cup holders of cars, trucks, SUVs, and boats, always within easy reach. Don't let its small size fool you. Made from durable ABS material, this 3.4 by 3.4 by 6.4 inch can is built to last. Its compact design maximizes space efficiency in your vehicle or even at home and office. Featuring a convenient push-button pop-open cover, this trash can is a breeze to use. The lid effectively contains odors and prevents spills, keeping your space fresh and clean. This front seat bottom cover features durable, water-resistant leather that prevents fading and wear. Its high rebound sponge ensures comfort on long drives. The cover wraps around the seat's front and sides for comprehensive protection, blending seamlessly with your original seats. A handy front pocket keeps small items within easy reach. Stay secure with the non-slip gel bottom and robust chucks and hooks. The elegant triangle quilted design not only looks stylish, but also enhances comfort during extended trips. Introducing the DSV Standard Warning Triangles. Featuring a non-skid, heavy-duty base with plastic foot pads, these triangles stand firm against passing vehicles and harsh weather conditions. Whether it's fog, wind, rain, or snow, your warning signals stay put. Each set includes 3 large 17 by 17-inch reflective triangles, easily visible day or night. They're quick to set up and fold down, making them perfect for any roadside emergency. Built-in reflectors on both sides ensure 360-degree visibility, even in low-light conditions. This tent features a waterproof rainfly and double-door eaves design, ensuring excellent protection from the elements. Crafted from 105D polyester Oxford with PU 2000 waterproof coating, it keeps you dry in any weather. The ventilated double-door design offers easy access and superior airflow while providing privacy with its double-layer construction. This patented dual-use tent attaches seamlessly to various vehicles like SUVs, minivans, and even the Tesla Model Y. It can also function as a standalone camping tent, offering flexibility for any outdoor scenario. This hydraulic trolley jack boasts a 2-ton capacity, lifting from a low 5.1 inches to a maximum height of 13 inches. It's perfect for both garage service and heavy-duty industrial applications. Safety is paramount with built-in release valve, protecting against overload damage or injury. The large saddle provides extra stability and vehicle protection during lifts. Constructed from heavy-duty steel, this jack combines lightweight design with robust performance. Swivel casters allow for easy maneuvering and precise positioning. Introducing the Nilight LED light bar mounting brackets. Each magnetic base features 12 powerful magnets, ensuring a strong hold even during emergency braking or off-road adventures. These brackets are highly compatible, working with side-mounted light bars of all types, straight, curved, single, double, triple, or quad row. Mount them on your vehicle's hood or roof with ample room for angle adjustment. Use the full bracket for side-mounted lights, or remove the L shape for bottom-mounted options. Choose inward or outward mounting directions for personalized placement. This professional-grade kit includes everything you need: a 3-way gauge, color-coded hoses, adjustable quick couplers, an Acme adapter, and both self-sealing and puncture-style can taps. At the heart of this set are the hybrid anti-shock gauges. Measuring 68 millimeters, these high and low pressure gauges combine the best of both worlds. The oil-filled core resists wear and shock, while the dry dial ensures optimal performance even in cold weather. Color-coded hoses make identification a breeze: blue for low pressure, red for high, and yellow for charging.